Hello, last time I told you what is churn. Churn is sing. What about singing a song? How do we say that? 唱歌，唱歌，唱 is to sing, 歌 is song. What about I sing? 我唱歌. So all combined. 我唱歌 is I sing. What about I am singing song? 我唱緊歌. Okay, that is a bit tricky for me to hold 4 pieces of paper, but here we go. 我唱緊歌. Okay. 緊 is the ing form. 緊唱緊 meaning singing. But if that is just sing, is 唱緊 is singing. 我唱緊歌 is I am singing.